Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very good trick to complete the Thanksgiving feast event of this part. This part saying during the event time player can plunder Thanksgiving feast opened by other alliances, plunder up to 100 Thanksgiving food items to receive a courageous certificate. In this one, I told you you have to attack or you have to use other alliances Thanksgiving feast, but you don't have to do this. You can finish up yourself. One thing you all know that when you hunting these turkeys, you are getting these rewards. दोस्तों आपको मैं बता दूं क्विकली हिंदी में, बिकॉज बाकी मैं वीडियो इंग्लिश में बनाऊंगा और आपको ही आइडिया लगाना पड़ेगा मैं क्या बातें कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है। मुझे क्विकली अपनी जॉब पर ये वीडियो बनानी है, तो आपके लिए मैं बना दूं। ये आपको मालूम है कैसे करना है। दूसरा भी आपको मालूम है कि इवेंट में आपने जो है अपने ओपन करने हैं फीस्ट फार्म। और तीसरा थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था, इसके लिए मैंने हल निकाला एक कि आप खुद भी कर सकते हैं, अभी आपको बताऊंगा। और ये वाला जो है इसमें क्या करना है मैं आपको अभी बता देता हूँ। सो गाइज आई टेल यू इन द फोर्थ वन क्विकली। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल go to the items, use this, open. So I received 5 stamina from that turkey meat. Alright, so you can click on the details which random items you're going to get. So from these cranberry jams you're getting speed ups, from the pumpkin pies you're getting sauces, from these yam bread you are getting these stones, and from the turkey you are getting stamina and the other stuff. Okay, I used already turkey. Go to the feast, click on the feast. So you can see I used one item which I gathered from the feast farm, from these farms. Okay, now we talk about courageous, this one, the courage certificate. Expel one of your friend from the alliance or start new game. You can start new game, start hunting with the new game, new account. Lot of turkeys like here you can see, because they are very weak, so anyone can hunt with the basic power. So दोस्तों बहुत बेसिक पावर से भी आप हंट कर सकते हैं टर्की को। यहाँ पे आपको टर्की दिखा देता हूँ, आपको वैसे तो मालूम ही है। तो ये रहा टर्की। जब आप इस पे अटैक करेंगे तो आपको ये आइटम्स रैंडमली मिलेंगी। इसकी पावर सिर्फ 128 है। सो गाइज दिस टर्की पावर इज ओनली 128। यू कैन किल। सो वी आस्क्ड माई one of my this friend that he helped me. Actually he's my brother. He was playing with me and I asked him that I don't have time, he can hunt the turkey for us. Okay, so now what he did, he hunted all the turkeys, collected all the items like this one, this turkey, yam, cranberry and pumpkin to open the feast farm. So he opened up for us, you can see 7 events, and I opened up for him. So you can see attack is showing on my own rally come saying it's a feast place because he's inside there. So I'm exchanging with him, he's completing his activities and I'm completing my activity. So we have done already one. You can see we have done one. So I'm sending again to explore. But remember, you don't need any alliance. Without alliance members they can complete your activities. So दोस्तों बिना alliance के भी कोई सिटी है तो वो उससे उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, आपकी ये एक्टिविटीज़ पूरी हो जाएंगी। 100 बार आपने एक्सप्लोर करना है। तो इसमें टाइम मिलता है आपको, देख लेते हैं। जैसे कि मेरे ये फ्रेंड ऑलरेडी अंदर है, तो आपको मिलता है 1 घंटा 35 मिनट्स। इसमें आप कितनी बार जा सकते हैं? 15 मिनट में ये कंप्लीट हो जाता है। आप देखें 15 मिनट में ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो आप इसमें कितने मेंबर्स भेज सकते हैं? 6 मेंबर्स। एक टाइम पे 6 मेंबर्स अंदर जा सकते हैं एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। और मेरे जो जो है लेवल 2, इसमें भी 6 मेंबर्स जा सकते हैं। और ये है लेवल 1। लेवल 1 में ओनली सिर्फ 4 लोग जा सकते हैं। सो गाइज, ओनली 4 पीपल अलाउड इन लेवल 1 फीस्ट। In level 2 you are allowed up to 6 members. Okay, so let me go in there as well, so I can complete my this feast that is saying collect ingredients to open the Thanksgiving feast. Okay, so which I'm doing now, this one. All right, so I opened up already. So I'm collecting all the items to complete these. So first one is cleared. You kill turkeys, 300 turkeys. I suggest finish up quickly 300 turkeys first. Then start opening the farms with the all collected turkey items. And also you know that how to complete courage certificate now. And third one, use the items that will complete your all these Thanksgiving feast rewards. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. This was the very good trick. You can use your own member to open up the farm, and you don't have to wait for the other alliances, or you don't have to visit to any other alliance which are located far from your location. I'm still exploring my relics. I don't have to move. And I asked my friend, my brother, that he opened up one of the feast farm for us, and this is working. You can open up your new account, or you can ask your members or your family members or your alliance members. Anyone can help you with this courage certificate. Thanks guys, have a good one, enjoy your game.